See here. Problem set 2, question number 14, page number 54 of 10th Maths Part 1. See now here. Mr. Dinesh owns an agricultural farm at village Talwel. The length of the farm is 10 meter more than twice the breadth. See, the length of farm, this is important condition. The length of farm is 10 meter more. How much meter more? 10 meter more than twice the breadth. In order to harvest rainwater, he dug a square-shaped pond. First shape of that pond, square-shaped pond, inside the farm. The side of pond is 1/3 of the breadth of the farm. Means how much breadth of the farm? No, that size or length of that pond will be 1/3 of that. The area of the farm is 20 times more, 20 times the area of the pond. Means how much area of the pond? No, 20 times area of the farm. Find the length and breadth of that farm. See now here. Suppose this is that farm. Okay, what the condition that Dinesh owns an agricultural farm at little way. The length of farm, this length, okay, is length of farm is 10 meter more than twice breadth. Suppose this is x, this will be 10 meter more, 10 meter more than twice. This will be 2x plus 10. This will be 2x plus 10. This will be x. See here, this way. Breadth will be x and length will be 2x plus 10. Next, what they give on that? There is square shaped pond inside there. Here is square shaped pond here in that form. It is shape is square of pond. They have done one pond this way, and size of that is how much? 1/3 of the breadth. 1/3 of breadth means 1 upon 3x, 1 upon 3x, 1 upon 3x, 1 upon 3x this way. Okay. See, understand this much? Breadth is x and length of the pond is 2x plus 10. And what they said, area of the farm, original farm, before digging that pond, okay, area of farm is 20 times of the area of the pond. See, area of farm is 20 times of the area of that pond. Now see how to do. See here now. See, we should say let the breadth, breadth, breadth of the farm be x meters. Okay, x meter is that breadth. Therefore, length of farm is equal to 2x plus 10 meter, because what they say that 10 meter more than twice the breadth. Okay, therefore area of farm length into breadth 2x plus 10 into x, answer coming 2x square plus 10x. This will be the area of the farm. Now length of pond, how much? 1/3 into breadth. How much breadth? No, that 1/3 of that. Then answer coming 1 upon 3x meter. This much will be that length of the pond. Therefore, area of pond. The shape of pond is square. It is square shaped pond. Therefore, area will be 1 upon 3x bracket square. It will be 1 upon 9x square. This much will be the area of pond. Now, what is their condition? Condition is given that the area of farm is 20 times the area of pond. We can say that by given condition. By given condition. What is given condition? The area of farm is equal to 20 into area of pond. Area of farm will be 20 times area of pond. See, breadth is x of that farm, length will be 2x plus 10, area will be 2x square plus 10x. Then length of pond will be 1/3 of breadth, 1 upon 3x, area will be 1 upon 9x square. What they say that area of farm is 20 times area of pond. Now we can say that 2x square plus 10x. 2x square plus 10x equal to 20 into 1 upon 9x square. Therefore, see now here, 2x square plus 10x is equal to 20 into 1 upon 9 square. This 9, no, we don't want this 9. Multiply all by 9. Then answer coming 9 to the 18 x square. 9 10 the 90x equal to 20x square. Here not that. Multiply 9 means 9 will be cancer. See here. 2x square multiplied by 9 means become 18x square plus 10 9 the 90x is equal to 9 and cancel 20x square coming. Now bring all this aside. 18x square minus 20x square plus 90x is equal to 0. All coming left hand side. Everything coming left hand side. Then what answer coming now? See here. Therefore, 18x square minus 20x square plus 90 is equal to 0. 18 minus 20 minus 2 minus 2x square plus 90x equal to 0. Now we don't want minus sign first. Change all signs. The answer coming 2x square minus 90x equal to 0. 2x common in bracket x minus 45 equal to 0. 2x equal to 0 or x minus 45 equal to 0. Therefore, x coming 0 upon 2. Therefore, x coming 0. X is equal to 45. Okay, x is breadth of pond, breadth of that farm. Okay, x is breadth of the farm. It cannot be negative. It cannot be negative. Okay. Therefore, we can say that x we should not take 0. X will be 45. Therefore, breadth of farm equal to 45 meter. Okay. Length of farm. Length of farm. It is how much? 2x plus 10. They have given 10 more than twice the breadth. 2 into 45 plus 10 means 45 to the 90 plus 10, 100. 100 meter length coming. Okay. Then length of pond. Length of pond is equal to 1/3 x. 1/3 into 45 coming 15 meter. Okay. See now here coming 15 meter. 15 meter is length of the pond. See now as length of pond is 15 meter, area of pond will be 15 square means 225 meter square, and area of farm will be length into breadth coming 4,500. Now see here, this is 20 times or not. Check it. If we multiply by 225 into 20, answer comes 0. 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 1 5, 2 to the 4. 4,500 coming, which is 20 times of that pond is area of the farm. Okay, this much coming area of farm 4,500 meter square. Length of farm 100 and breadth is 45.